Yeah, I'm just really happy because I had an injury the current week, so I didn't know how I could feel on the bike, but I just had a really bad start, but I really want to get the title and also finish on podium. So I was struggling with my parents and everybody because they didn't want me to push, but I cannot get on the podium. So I saw I had a chance. My foot was with me, and yeah, I won the title, and I'm really happy. So thanks a lot to everybody and my family, of course.
We are so happy for you, Chiara Fontanesi.
Senkvice a Chiara Fontanesi. Congratulations from the team of